homemade brownie. Great seller on a menu, so I'm just going to run you through all the ingredients and then all the method of how to make your brownie extra perfect. Okay, so the ingredients, we've got unsalted butter, white chocolate pistils, dark chocolate pistils, vanilla essence, caster sugar, whole eggs, gluten-free flour, which is really important. Just to use this now for gluten-free is really important, and then cocoa powder. So the method to start with, we're going to melt the butter and the chocolate together. Whilst that's melting, we're going to add the eggs and the sugar to the mixer and whip them up so you get a really nice glossy mix. Once that's whipped together, we'll then add the cocoa powder and the chocolate. Once that's added together, we'll then combine all the ingredients together, pour them out into a tray and bake them in the oven. Okay, so the next stage, this is the butter and the chocolate melted, so you can see it's a really nice glossy consistency. All the chocolate's melted down, and then in here, this is just the eggs and the sugar. So you can see it's ribbon stage, so it'll just hold its shape when you do that. So it's really nice and whipped up, it's probably quadrupled in size, so it's really nice and light. All we now need to do is let the chocolate and butter cool down slightly. If you pour that in there too quickly, it'll just drop all the air out of the mixture. And then we're literally just going to fold all the mixture together. And I'm just going to add our mixtures together. Okay, so now we're going to add our dry mix. Fold in the chocolate, the white chocolate. Beautiful. Mix complete. Okay, so my brownie mix is made. Now all I do is pour the mixtures out onto trays, but actually weigh the trays, so I know that each tray has got the right amount on them, so they're going to cook evenly. So if you're doing 2, 4, 6 or 8 trays, they're all weighed the same, they're all going to cook exactly the same. So I'm just going to take my mix. You're just waiting on fries, do you want to go with it? So I know that's exactly 3 kilos, so now I'm going to do the other one 3 kilos. But obviously depending on the trays that you're using, it'll be slightly different every time. Okay, so the brownie's now ready, so we're just going to take it out of the oven. So what you're looking for, the top will be on the crispy side, and then if you give the tray a little wobble, you'll see that it still does have a natural wobble to it. What you're looking for is the middle to be really nice and gooey still. If you haven't got that wobble, you've overcooked it. So we'll just let that cool down now, and then it'll just naturally just drop down, and then it can go straight into the fridge. So brownie's now chilled down. We've now cut it into portions. It's going to sit in the fridge, so a ticket comes on, plate it up, give it about 10-15 seconds in a microwave, and then all we're going to do is serve some chocolate sauce with it. Cover the top with chocolate sauce. And we're just going to serve it with some really nice vanilla ice cream. And we'll just take one of our little metal dishes that's been in the freezer with the ice cream. And we just serve it on the side. And that's it, no ice and sugar, just a chocolate sauce vanilla ice cream. That's our homemade brownie ready to go.